Hostinger for Beginners, the Good, the Bad, and the Renewal Price Trap. Honest Hostinger Review 2025. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Digital Tech Best. If you're just starting your first website, blog, or online store in 2025, you've probably heard of Hostinger. They are famous for their unbelievably low price, often under $3 a month, but for a beginner, that low price raises huge questions. Is it actually easy to use? Will my site be fast? And what's the catch with the renewal price trap? In this honest review, I'm going to break down the good, why it's perfect for beginners, the bad, its biggest drawback, and the crucial renewal price trap you need to know about before you sign up. Stick around until the end because I'll show you exactly how to get the maximum discount right now using my special link in the description. Part 1. The good. Why Hostinger is perfect for beginners. Hostinger is often the best choice for first-time website owners for three main reasons that boil down to simplicity and speed. Number 1. The hPanel, simplicity. Forget the confusing old-school cPanel. Hostinger uses its own custom dashboard called hPanel. It is clean, intuitive, and designed with beginners in mind. One-click install. Installing WordPress takes about 30 seconds. Easy domain management. Connecting your domain, setting up professional email, and managing backups is done through simple, clear icons, not complex menus. It seriously reduces the learning curve. Number 2. Built-in LiteSpeed performance. Most cheap hosts are slow, but Hostinger breaks that rule. They use LiteSpeed web servers on all their shared hosting plans. LiteSpeed is up to 9 times faster than the old technology their competitors use. This means your site loads faster for visitors, making Google happy and improving your SEO. You don't have to fiddle with complicated speed optimization tools. The performance is baked into the server itself. Number 3. All-in-one value. For a beginner, the last thing you want is a surprise bill. Hostinger includes all the essentials for free on their main premium plan. A free domain name for the first year, unlimited free SSL certificates, that little padlock icon that makes your site secure, automated weekly backups saving you if you accidentally break your site while learning. Part 2. The bad. The biggest drawback. While the value is incredible, there is one place where Hostinger falls slightly short, and that's customer support. They rely heavily on 24/7 live chat support, which is responsive, but they do not offer phone support. The problem: if you prefer talking to a human being over the phone to solve a crisis, which many beginners do, Hostinger doesn't provide that option. The verdict: the chat support is generally excellent for routine technical issues, but if you have an urgent, complex problem, you might miss the ability to call someone directly. Part 3. The renewal price trap. How to save big. This is the most critical part of this review. The low price is a promotional rate and the renewal price is much higher. This isn't unique to Hostinger, but you need a strategy to deal with it. The trap: the price jumps after the intro period. If you buy the Hostinger premium plan for $2.99 per month, after the initial term, which is usually 48 months, the price will jump up to around $6.99 per month. How to beat the trap? The 48-month strategy. To minimize the impact of the price jump, you must lock in the lowest price for as long as possible. Choose the 48-month plan. This is non-negotiable. It secures the lowest possible rate for 4 full years. This gives your website 4 years to grow and become profitable before you ever see the higher renewal cost. Skip the single plan. Don't choose the absolute cheapest single plan. It's too limited. The premium shared hosting plan is the sweet spot. It gives you multiple websites, free domains, and the essential features you need for growth. Final verdict: is Hostinger worth it for a beginner in 2025? Yes, absolutely. Hostinger provides a premium speed experience, LiteSpeed, at an unbeatable beginner price. As long as you are comfortable with using live chat support and you commit to the 48-month plan to maximize your savings, it's the smartest choice for starting your first website. To make sure you get the absolute lowest introductory price, click the special discount link pinned in the description below. That link automatically applies the highest possible coupon. Lock in that 4-year deal and start building your site. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about setting up your WordPress site.